Guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm gonna be giving you three solid reason why you should farm cex.io, an airdrop which has been online for a long time, like 3 4 5 months ago now, and to be a great choice if you do it. All right, let's get in there and let's see something. I'll be giving you 3 reasons why you must do this airdrop. You must do it. All right, let's get in there and let me show you something. All right, you should know, if you have been farming cex.io for a long time, you should know how it is. You should know everything. You tap and you upgrade these cards to farm your cxp and increase your profit per hour, which is this coin. All right, I've made a video on how to increase this mining per hour, this farming this, and this to be converted to this, and this to be used to upgrade the cars here to increase this and this. Right, is the circle. You go in, it's like a security cycle like that. Right, so if you still don't know how to farm it effectively, you can see my balance right here. If you don't know how to farm it effectively as this, just click on the channel bio. You'll see the video there which I explain on how to do that. All right. The first reason which I think and I believe that cex.io will pay is that it is owned by an exchanges. What are exchanges? Exchanges are just exchanges. You should know what exchanges is. You should since you are farming airdrop, you should know that exchanges are different from wallets. Wallets are should I say they are custodian wallets. If I'm right, if I'm just right, if I'm wrong, just put it in the comment section. Right. Exchanges are custodian wallets, why wallets are non custodian wallets. Right. So on exchanges, what can you do on exchanges? You can buy, you can sell crypto assets, and you can convert, you can trade futures, derivatives, the spot market, a lot of features, copy trading and all the rest. You can also convert your crypto asset into a fiat currency, which you can just spend it right there. Right. The first reason which I think this airdrop will pay is that is the first of its kind. This airdrop is the first of its kind. You know, my own belief is that any airdrop that is first of its kind will surely pay you 100% legitimacy. Like Notcoin was the one that brought around tap to end game like that, but later on we now have Dogs airdrop. You just use your Telegram it to fix your allocation. Then we withdrew and we cash out. Although we did not have too much, and we still cash out. I still cash out something big. All right. So those are the core of airdrops. Any other airdrop that came after that, we have Hamster, we have even Cartesian. It's only those that invested in it cash out big. Right? We have Hamster, we have Pixelverse, a lot. All of them, they are just trash. They are just full of trash. So any airdrop that is just launched, like new era of airdrop, it should be alright. That's the first reason. The second reason is an exchange. You all know, I've already explained what an exchange is. If you go on Google right there, search the top 50 exchanges, you will see that cex.io will be part of the list. Alright. The third reason which I think this airdrop will pay massively, thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars, a lot massively, is that is because of their net worth. Right. If you go on Google right here, let me quickly go on Google and search cex.io net worth. All right, cex.io net worth. All right. The first link you see, click onto it and let's see what is in there. All right, you can see from the info being provided here, you can see estimated revenue and valuation. cex.io's estimated annual revenue is currently $30.2 million per year. This is not their actual net worth, but the revenue, like the profit they make in a single year, is this. That's massive. Just imagine this airdrop will pay massively. Anybody that doesn't participate in this airdrop will later regret it. All right, that's all I can take, as you can see. All right, the other, okay, I think I've shared the 3 reasons. I said is an exchange. The reason why I'll be participating and I'll be putting in my much of more effort is owned by the exchange, where you can buy tokens, sell, and let's say convert like that. And it is the first of its kinds. And the third one is, due to this, their net worth, like their annual earnings is massive. And the last thing which I will mention is that, you know, all exchanges have their native tokens. Binance, they have their native token, which is what? BNB Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain, owned by Binance. If there is bad news on Binance, let's say on Binance, maybe CEO, if anything happens to it, it will have effect on the tokens. Let's say BNB now. If anything bad happens to it, let's say, okay, you all knew when Ton this thing, Pavedrov was arrested. What happened to Ton? Ton dropped massively. All right, that's a native token. Ton is a native token of Telegram. BNB is a native token of Binance. GT is a native token of Gate.io. Same thing applicable to this CEX.io. So make sure you join early as soon as possible, because I'm very sure latest the end of this year, this airdrop will pay massively, pay thousands of dollars unexpectedly, right? All right, if you are yet to join this airdrop, do have to click onto the description of the video. I'll create a Google Docs file, then put the link there. You click onto the link and you get started with it. Just join my team and let's farm together. All right, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do it to subscribe now. I will not make this video long. All right, do it to subscribe now and give it a thumbs up, give it a nice comment. And if you have any question, do it to drop it. I will be very, very willing and glad to answer your questions. See you in the very next one.